depths below. A lunch shackled and out of control. A dynamite about to explode. You better get back, get back. Raising hell is my only vice. I got a soul but it's cold as ice. The devil tried to tell me that I pay your price. You better get back, get back. I get back, I get back, I get back before they turn me loose. You better step out of my way. A dangerous, got nothing to lose. See me coming, better step aside. I'm on fire like 100 proof. You better get back, get back, get back before they turn me loose. Before they turn me loose.
Anong nakikita mo sa atin 50 years from now?
Siguro, nagawa lang natin lahat ng mga bagay na dapat nating
gawin. Tapos na rin yung mga anak natin.
Kapag-travel
Tapos
na
puti
tayo
na
sa
yung
lugar.
buhok mo.
Kapag-travel na tayo sa lahat ng gusto nating lugar.
Siguro nagpapahinga na lang tayo ngayon. Tapos nagda-travel.
Tapos na ako sa mga gusto kong bagay na makuha.
Till that do us part.
Till the last breath. Till my last breath.
Till my last.
Torn down, our youth would take the blame. Worn out, the way we let it stay.
Nag-start yun dahil sa classmate ko rin nung college. Bali, pinakilala siya ni Ace, actually si Engineer Ace. Sabi niya, pre, may papakilala ko sa'yo. Reto-reto, nag-start sa reto, tapos nakachat ko siya sa Messenger.
So ayun, nagkabiruan kami sa Facebook and then ayun, nag-meet kami dito. Pero naging kami na, hindi pa kami nagkikita. Pero I know naman na he's a good person.
Hindi na matagal yung ligawan namin eh. Kasi galing din ako sa break up. So, pero hindi siya rebound ha. Kasi sabi ko nga, kay Lord, ang pinaka hiningin ko sa kanya that time is kung sino yung ibigay niya sa akin nung time na yun. Yun na yun.
Shallow,
Yadoy,
falling on your
okay,
bed.
kuya kiss.
Shadow by every other way. Hollow, without you making
Love niya yung family niya, so big point yun sa akin. Kasi nag-pray ko yun na gusto ko ng lalaki na mahal yung pamilya niya. Kasi alam ko na kapag mahal niya yung pamilya niya, kaya niya ring mahalin ng buo yung magiging pamilya niya.
Mahal, ito na yung araw na hiniling mo sa akin, pinagdasal natin sa Diyos na laging naudlot. So, ito na talaga, kakasal na tayo. See you mamaya, mahal na mahal kita. Alam ko, mahal na mahal mo din ako. And sa mga susunod pa, may our dreams and aspirations sa life ay matupad.
Ayun, mahal, sa 7 years na pagsasama natin as a couple, andito na tayo, tinupad mo na yung pangako mo sa akin na ibibigay mo sa akin yung middle name. kasi wala nga ako. Sabi mo nga wala akong middle name kasi illegitimate ako. Pero tinupad mo yung pangako mo sa akin. And then, ayun, super happy ako kasi pinag-pray natin tong dalawa. At alam ko na you are worth the wait, mahal. At mahal na mahal kita and I can't wait to marry you.
When God wished to reveal to mortal understanding the happy state of His people, He chose a picture of wedding. A devoted bridegroom si RJ na napakagwapo. Deeply in love with his spotless and glowing bride.
On my way to the bottom, sure I'd never be found. Then you
With
saw me
Jovelyn Gallego as her husband, to receive her as your wife, to make a home where she will be loved and cared for as long as God grants her life. Ay, ito.
you said close
Normally po, ang excited po lagi dito yung babae. Jovelyn Gallego.
to me.
Do you now leave your father and mother to establish your own home with RJ or Manuel Ismael Jr. as his wife, to receive him as your husband, to make a home where he will be loved and cared for as long as God grants him life? Sabi ko na po eh.
Wanted, I'd give you my life from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again. Until I had met you, there's no sun in my sky.
Today we celebrate our 7th anniversary and also the first day of you and me as husband and wife. From the very start, naniwala at sinuportahan mo ako sa aspirations and dreams ko. Until now, ganun ka pa rin, hindi mo tinututulan yung mga gusto kong gawin. Gaya ng unang sinabi ko sa iyo, my commitment is to our Lord God to love you with all my heart, to be faithful with you, to support you in whatever you like to do, gaya ng pagsuporta mo sa akin nang walang kasawa-sawa. Mahal na mahal kita. May our God bless us with a life full of love, and also may He grant the fruit of our love na matagal na nating pinagdarasal. Mahal, asahan mo, ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
What you wanted, I'd give you my life from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again.
Ilang minuto na lang, magiging Mrs. Jovelyn Gallego Ismael na ako. Now my purpose in life is to love such a man as great as you. Mahal, I vow to pray for you every single day. I vow to pray for your safety, your good health, and your guidance. I will pray for your dreams, your strength, and your courage to face this often cruel world. I will lift you up in prayer, asking the Lord to grant you wisdom to lead our family with grace. I vow to pray for your happiness. Right now, mahal, my heart is filled with so much happiness and gratitude. Because God blessed me with the very person I prayed for. I've loved you for 7 years, and I will love you even more for the rest of forever. Mahal na mahal
Everybody's
kita.
watching, it's just you and me, and the song on repeat in our heads.